Hey lovelies, it's your girl Genevieve. You're welcome and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these cute boho braids using a Brazilian wool and a Kenakalon Braiding hair extension. Okay guys, so please guys do well to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, like this video because girl, this hair is given. Like I'm feeling myself right now, like it's so beautiful. And guys, I got lots and lots of compliments on this hair. So guys, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hey you guys, so I'm feeling so excited about making this hairstyle, all right, because I already have everything prepared, right? So I went ahead to part my hair off camera to speed up the process. Guys, like I spent almost like 2 hours in parting my hair because I want, anytime I part my hair, I always want to make it to be neat. Like people sometimes doubt me when I tell them I make my hair myself, right? Because it comes out so neat, like the braids so neat, the part so neat. Like I like making my hair to be so neat that people wouldn't even know I did it myself, and they were like, oh my gosh, you did this. So guys, I got a total of 21 braids. So if you want to do the hair to look exactly like mine, okay, you're gonna go for 21 braids. I'm gonna hit to show you the shea butter I'm going to be using. I always like using shea butter to braid my hair. So if I'm applying it on my braids, alright, it's going to make my braids look very neat and also shiny. But that doesn't mean I don't use any other hair cream. Also, I'm going to be using Zigzag hair wax, and then also have my black rubber band, which I'll be using. So here I have a used Brazilian wool. Yes guys, one thing I like about Brazilian wool is that you can use it as many times as possible. So here I'm showing you how you can reuse an old or used Brazilian wool. Alright, so I'm gonna head to spray water on it to make it to be soft, and then also went ahead to use my brush to brush it out and detangle it so it will still feel smooth for me to work with. Okay, so guys, I already done one of the braids and I'm going on to the next one. So guys, what I'm doing is I just comb out my hair, detangle my hair, and then to apply the edge control on it, which is the easier wax and mold. All right, that's what I'm using. I just noticed that somehow it doesn't really turn white on my hair, because after using it I tend to use oil sheen to spray on it, okay, which helps it to not turn white. Okay, so for me now this is a go-to, right? So this is what I'm using. This is edge control I'm using for now. If you're watching my videos recently, you see that that's what I've been using, and that's what I'll be using till I'm able to get another one. Okay, so guys, I'll just go on to use the rubber band and tie it, and afterwards I crochet the extension underneath the rubber band. Okay, so what I did was, after using the rubber band to secure my hair, I went ahead to section out the braids that I'm going to be using. I already got a particular size that I want to use, then I sectioned it out into 2 equal parts. All right, so I'm going on to crochet it. So I did one going horizontal and the other one going vertical. All right, so afterwards I'm gonna go on to hold the braids together with my hair and then divide it into 3 to have the normal 3 extensions we use in making a braid. So I'm just gonna go ahead to braid my hair down. Okay, you see that in a moment, guys.
I said something foolish. Did I go and ruin this? When it started to feel so real, could feel it running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving for the rest of my days. No, I don't want to be alone so late at night. So late at night. No, I don't wanna sleep, 'cause then I'm dreaming can remember. Those memories are better than gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. So late at night, no, I don't wanna sleep, 'cause then I'm dreaming, and you're not real, not mine to keep. No, I don't wanna sleep, then I'm losing time, losing my chance to make you mine. So late
Okay guys, this is the braiding hair I cut. Alright, so I'm gonna be using it to crochet on my braids. So I called it off camera. So if you don't know how to coil it to get this particular coils, because the way you keep your hand to coil it depends on how the coils will come out. There's a way you keep your hand and coil it, the coil will come out differently. Alright, so if you want to get this particular coils that I have here, I have a video on my channel. Okay, I'm gonna do it to put the link in the description box, so please do it to check that out. So I'm gonna show you how I was able to get this particular coils that is looking so pretty here. Yeah, I like it how it's so beautiful. Okay, so I'll go on to crochet that on my braids. Like at first I didn't know I was going to carry the braiding hair coils for a long time. I thought I was just gonna carry it for like a week and then I'll cut it off, then carry the braids for like extra week, because normally I carry my hair for like 2 weeks. Okay, and then sometimes if my work is too choking, I don't have space, I don't have time to do my hair, I can extend it to like 3 weeks. Okay, but then I was done carrying the hair for a week and I wanted to cut them off. The coils are still looking so beautiful. I'm like, wow, I still have to leave the coils for like extra week. And make sure you start mousse to apply on it. I first of all apply leave-in conditioner on it, and then I apply mousse on it. All those things makes it to still curl back, and then sometimes I use my hand to like fold it back, like to recall it back, and then it was still looking so beautiful till the day I lost the hair. It was so nice. I really enjoyed working the hair. It was really a nice experience, me carrying the hair. There's one thing about making a hair, and another thing is you liking the hair and people around liking the hair, right? Like the feeling you get when you make your hair and then you come out and people are like, oh my gosh, your hair is so beautiful. Like there's this joy that comes. Like there's this joy that I feel. I don't know if it's just me or if any of you feel that, but I'm so happy whenever I do my hair myself and then I get lots of compliment from people. Yeah. All right guys, so this is it for this video guys. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up and then turn on the notification bell so you get notified on any of my new uploads. Comment in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle, and also share this video to your friends and families to support me. Okay guys, as you do so, God bless you and bless all your endeavors. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
Started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. No, I don't want to be alone so late at night. Those memories are better than gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way